Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to use the React JS SDK. Before using this SDK, you should make sure Node is installed in your system. So basically this SDK support 4 feature: create order, fetch order, EMI calculation, hash verification. So extract the zip file and you get the React SDK sample app and documentation. Open in the VS Code, go to the terminal and link this SDK to sample app. So there is a two command. First go to the sample app directory, cd sample app, and run the npm link and path of your SDK like this. And now install this SDK using npm I and path of SDK. So SDK is attached in sample app. Run the application using npm run dev command. So our application run on port number 5173. Open this port in browser. This is how sample app look like. You have a form with a pay now button and the pre-filled details. There is a 4 link: create order, fetch EMI offer, and hash verification. In the create order, merchant ID, access code, secret, gateway, transaction ID, amount in paisa, callback, product details, and payment mode is mandatory. Others details is optional. So let's start with the create order flow. You need to enter the transaction ID and select the payment mode. I have pre-selected 4 modes: cards, net banking, wallet, and UPI. So pay now. Click on the success and submit. And the callback response is go to the this website like this. So here is a transaction ID. So next is fetch order. Here transaction ID is mandatory. Paste the transaction ID and click on the fetch details. So here is a response, success response. To check the hash verification, copy the response as it is and paste in the hash verification section. Paste here. Click on the hash verify. So this is a response true. If I change the hash code random and now again click on hash verify, status is false. So like this. And the last is fetch EMI offer. So there is a pre-filled details of product details. Click on the fetch EMI option. Here you can get the response. You can also add the extra product like this. Copy one, add comma, paste it and change the name SQ2 to 3 and make sure price is equal to the product details like 20,000 2020. You also change it here 60 and now click on fetch EMI option. So you can get the details SQ1, SQ2, SQ3, and if the price is mismatched like 5, then click then the error mismatching total card amount and total product amounts like this. Thank you.